Want to know the easiest way to avoid a $6,000 transmission repair? Most drivers completely ignore this one maintenance service. One of the most overlooked maintenance items on any vehicle is changing your transmission fluid. Over time, that fluid breaks down, loses its ability to lubricate and cool internal components, and causes excessive wear you cannot see happening. Not every vehicle has the same service interval, and some manufacturers even describe certain transmissions as lifetime fill. But many experts strongly recommend following your owner's manual and having your transmission inspected regularly by a qualified mechanic. Spending a few $100s on preventative maintenance could seriously reduce your risk of a repair costing thousands. $300 versus $6,000 is a decision that makes itself. Take care of your transmission before it takes care of your wallet. Follow MotorMav for more maintenance advice and real-world automotive education. When was the last time you changed your transmission fluid?